Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put text under a picture in Photoshop. See this image. First of all, remove the background. I use quick selection tool. Refine its radius, smooth, feather. Layer mask. Okay, now see this. Remove the background. Then create a new layer. Create a new layer. Type text. Arial black. Text color white. Okay. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Hold Shift, click and drag it. Select the text layer, click and down under an image. Hold Ctrl middle and again create a new layer or copy this text layer. Press hold Alt or press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Click and drag it up to okay. Click and drag it. Click and drag it. Press Ctrl middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.